right, we are back with our series, Love Your Morning. Spring and summer are the perfect time to mix it up with your beauty routine. And who better to ask than the always glowing Today contributor and Peloton instructor, Allie Love. Good morning to you.
Good morning.
I think we all want this dewy, glowy look, but there's a line somewhere between like dewy and glowy and then like sweaty. Like, you know what I mean? That needs a blot.
Absolutely. First off, I will say I'm an advocate for natural beauty is your best beauty. Mm-hmm. So I know what it feels like to maybe want to feel your best, but you don't always feel your best on the outside. So here are some simple things that we can do, especially in spring, summer, to find that shine.
Okay.
So the first thing is like, we're going to have our shimmer here at this shimmer station. The first thing that I want to keep in mind is that there's power and primer. Power and primer. So I have two. This is a Charlotte Tilbury primer. It's beautiful. It's a cream.
So good.
Primer is great because it hydrates the skin. And if you're someone who's wearing makeup all day, it keeps your makeup lasting longer. Another one is Refi. This one is really cool because you're getting contouring and primer at the same time.
You just put it on your face.
You just roll it on. Yeah.
You roll it on and the shape in there.
Exactly.
Okay.
After your primer, to find that shimmer from there, you want to do foundation. Now, the question we often get, is it powder or is it liquid?
Right.
In the summer and spring, I want you to go for liquid if you can. The reason for it is, again, it's lasting long. You talked about sweaty mess.
Yes.
It eliminates that option of sweatiness.
And it won't look too heavy if you're out in the sun, like on a run or something.
You want to look natural.
Yeah.
Exactly, that natural beauty. But what I really want to amplify here is, as someone who works out at Peloton all the time in makeup, I'm on the Today Show and I'm running from thing to thing, this eliminates those sweat streaks that I get on the bike.
Okay.
But if you have oily skin, I would advise you to take a little powder, allow that as your base layer, and then put your liquid on top. And then from there, I always believe in cream blush. I have it on right now after I put on the primer. A light cream blush here.
So just gives you a little
It is really pretty.
It's easy. It gives you that shine. You're looking for that shimmer, as Taylor Swift says. When you walk in, you make the whole face shimmer.
Look at that.
I love it.
Exactly.
It just like lifts the whole face.
3 easy steps for the shimmer.
Okay. All right. Next up.
So these are my secrets, right? Keeping with the S theme here in the summer. We talk about feeling bright-eyed and bushy tail, and sometimes, like I said, wake up and you just don't feel that way.
Right.
Even on the inside. The number one thing that I advise folks to do, white eyeliner under the eyes. I notice you have a little bit, you have blue eyeliner on, but like a little bit of it.
Wait, white?
White eyeliner. So it just, and I'll show you here. I put some on Julia and our tees, but I'll put it on the other side. You just take the white eyeliner and you're putting it on the crease of the eyes. I would follow this with the mascara, but for the sake of the conversation.
So it just kind of opens up the eye and brightens
it. opens up the eye, gives you a bright look, right? We would blend this just a little bit more. And then you would put your mascara on from there. Gives you that bright-eyed feeling without it. Because you notice when you put black eyeliner on, it makes your eyes a little, you're giving smoky for the daytime, or it makes it small.
And it closes your eye.
When you're just out and about, you want to brighten.
Another thing is that I love, these are Bobbi Brown, is taking your eyeshadow, and I want you to know you just need to use your eyeshadow for eyeshadow. You can use it for eyeliner. So another thing that I like to do is take an eyeshadow stick, and then from here, Julia, you can take that and make that wing. So that you're making
just with eyeshadow.
Yeah, I get caught up in the wing looking perfect, but with the eyeshadow, you get that nice, cool wing. Opens up the eyes. These are secrets that you can use throughout the day.
The eyeshadow comes in a crayon.
It comes in a stick. That is going to be. Speaking of that crayon.
Okay,
my girl.
There's so many sticks these days. And wands.
It's so much easier.
Yes. So when we talk about keeping it simple, we're looking for easy. That one over there was a stick. This is another type of stick. Same kind of thing.
What is that?
This is the eyeshadow. This is an eyeshadow. This is Laura Mercier. Yeah, this is easy. So you can use it as an eyeshadow. I'll put it on for you. Use it as an eyeshadow, and or it gives you that 2-in-1 effect. You can use it on how I use Julia to give you that wing look. Keeping it simple, 2 to 1 products where you can do 2 things at once is so helpful.
I agree. What's
Dibs is another one. Oh, another stick. You love a stick.
I'm just kidding. They're everywhere.
So is this a blush stick?
This is a blush and a contour all in one. You drop it in your bag. You're on the go. You have everything you
probably
need.
even put on your lips and everything.
Exactly. We're doubling up for sure.
And then last but not least?
It's the same thing. So Dibs here is giving you like that contour feeling where you can take something here and you're using it either as like blush or a shimmer.
I love that. You know, it's so funny. Al just said, don't you guys run out of products? And we're like, no,
never.
We never do. There's all.
And I just like that this is fast. That's part of the thing in the summer is you just want something fast just to pop a little bit.
You look great. And again, you find your shimmer, you go ahead, you use these 2 secrets, and then keep it as simple as possible. You're finding your S in the summer for spring, and you're being your natural, most beautiful self.
Half face of makeup right now.
Thank you, Allie. All right, you can shop, by the way, all of these products at today.com/shop.